Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Chrome on laptop. So guys, at first go to your Microsoft Edge. Now click on the search bar and search Google Chrome download. Now click on the first one. And then click on download Chrome. And guys, whenever you click, the app will automatically start downloading. And if it doesn't download automatically, then just click on the download Chrome manually. And then the app will start downloading. And after downloading, click on open file. Then a small window will appear at the top of the screen. And now the app has started downloading. And guys, now as you can see, the Google Chrome app is finally downloaded. So guys, that's it. That's how you can download Google Chrome on laptop very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.